Hi guys, myself Divya, and my first venture is Dropout Dukes, under which I have two other ventures as well. So I have started my entrepreneurial journey 3 years back in 2017 when I was working in an IT company in a BD profile. So being a science girl, I had no idea about what entrepreneurship is and what a startup is. And I don't even want to be in a startup because I don't know anything about that at that time. But then I meet my co-founder Anshuman, who was working in his startup, and he told me about his startup, and then I approached him that I can help you, it sounds really interesting, and that is how it started. So when we started this venture Dropout Group, so we had a thought in our mind that we should do something for the youth, like we should have a community for the youth where we can solve the issue of dropout, because people gets inspired a lot in entrepreneurial world and from dropouts. Like there are some famous dropouts, example Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, etc., who are doing extremely good in their field. So many youth, so many youngsters, many people think the education system is not for us, and we should also drop out and we should focus to build something of our own, and these thoughts make them drop out from the school or college. But eventually, what happens when you drop out without having any skill or without having any career option in your mind, then things eventually fall. Mark Zuckerberg, if we talk about Mark Zuckerberg or Bill Gates, they get success because they were having a good skill in something. Like you can say Mark Zuckerberg know what he wants to do. So our main motive to start Dropout Dudes was is to create an awareness in the youth that why skill-based ecosystem is important, and why you should consider before dropping out, and why you should focus, and even if you want to start something of your own, then you should have at least some skills or some kind of career option or some kind of backup with you that can help you in case if you fall. So this was all about dropout groups, and then under dropout groups we made a college community for college students that is known as the campus media. So in campus media, we have Delhi University and other universities, and we share their happenings and everything about their universities. And if students need any kind of guidance or anything else, then we are here to provide them. And my last venture, which I am talking about, is Startup Style. So, Startup Style is, as the name indicates, it is an online merchandise store for startups and entrepreneurs. The idea behind Startup Style is when I was searching to gift my co-founder something related to startup or something dedicated to entrepreneurship, I found there are nothing specifically for startups or entrepreneurs in India. There are many stores available online in US or in other countries, but in India, if you want to dedicate some entrepreneur or some startup, something related to entrepreneurship or startup, there was no such dedicated store. So to solve this problem, we started with an online merchandise store 2 years back, and we are curating and creating merchandise for startups, for small businesses, and we are providing them every kind of customized merchandise they want for their business, for themselves, or to give someone, to inspire someone. So this is what I do, and this is how I inspire others to do something great in this startup ecosystem. Yeah, so as Kshitish gave an example, like कि डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का क्या रोल है एंड क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, तो आई थिंक वी शुड डिस्कस मोर अबाउट इट. So, if talking about me, being a science student, I was totally deployed of what a techie person knows or what a techie person does. But then I started my own venture. I understand that in those aspects that no matter from which background you come from, if you want to run a successful business or if you want to run a successful organization, it is your duty to be equipped with some technology related skills, because in every venture, no matter from which niche you are, you need to have some technical skills to grow your business or to help your organization to grow in a better way. Yeah, so am I audible to everyone? I doubt.
Yes, you are audible, Divya. You are.
Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, fine. So, if we talk about digital transformation from past few years, we have seen that digital era has seen a tremendous growth, and every startup or every business, if we are talking about, every business is trying to be online or is trying to be digitally. So, people are showing more interest towards digital platforms, be it social media platforms or be it any other platform, to sell their products or to capture the great market we have on digital media platforms. But to capture the market or to capture those audience, we really need to have some skills which we can apply in our organization, which we can apply, which we can deliver to our and which we can deliver to our team members or which we can dedicate to them, so they can work in a systematic way to promote your business or your startup on these digital media platforms. And it is an hour of need, like even Modi ji or even everyone is so much focusing on digital era, and like it has been a need of an hour. If you are not on any digital media platform, then people might think that this business is actually not doing so good. This is the perception, you can say, people are making about any business. Like if you talk about your business to someone, and first thing they do after that is they will search on Google or they will search on social media platform. Like if you have any company page on these social media platforms, or if you have any reviews on Google for how your business is performing on Google or on the social media platform. So digital transformation is very much needed for them, and all these three ventures which I am talking about, which I am running with my co-founder, all these ventures are successful today because we have focused more and more on digital media and social media, basically, because in today's world the opportunities are so much for startup that you don't even need infrastructure, physical infrastructure, to be a great business or to be a great startup. If you have some good digital media tools, or if you have a good online presence, you can earn a pretty good response from there, or you can earn a pretty good sales from there. एंड आई बिलीव कि अभी मतलब जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं उन सबके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है कि वो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे आ गए.
Thank you. Sir, can you? Can you hear me?
Yeah, Kshitij, I can hear you. I think there was some network issue. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, Kshitij.
I think there is a challenge from Kshitij network. If someone can take it up.
Yeah, I'm not able to hear him.
We are able to hear you, Divya,
Divya
very
Gupta
well.
ji, you can carry on. We can hear you.
Yes.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
perfect. Yeah, so I was saying ki, many times people ask me this question like, should we need to have digitally, or should our business be on digital media platforms, or many times people say, yeah, we are using conventional method of marketing, and we are thinking like we are fine with this. So I think if you are using conventional method, it is good for your business as if you are getting response from those methods, but as the need of the time, you should also try to be on digital media, because there is a huge customer base available on digital media which you can capture without investing so much funds, or without investing so much money, and you can reach like anywhere from using these digital media platforms. So all it takes is a little approach from your end, or a little change in your mindset to be on these platforms, or and you can make your brand more visible to the more customers. Right now, my venture startup style, it is only an online media, online customized merchandise store, and from online website through Facebook and Instagram and through our website. Only we are getting such a huge response from startups that people are saying ki you guys are doing great. And when we thought ki we should start this thing, so one thing I have in mind कि चलो idea अच्छा है, इस पे काम करते हैं, और we need to create a beautiful website, and we have to upload some beautiful designs which we have in our mind, and then things will work like this. But when we actually dive into that startup, we understood that no, it is not as simple as we think. So first we had to do market research, and then we did the working on our designs, then we did working on photo shoots, and then we promoted in our network, on social media, on our in our grow communities, in the startup communities, in startup events, etc. And from there we got a huge response. We never thought that within an year we would partner with such big events, or we would be able to sell so much t-shirts or so much merchandise. But people loved it, and for more success, and the whole credit goes to the digital platforms, because we invested our most of the time on these digital platforms, and these digital platforms gave us the huge response.
Uh,
So
the
yeah,
I sorry, actually, I had a technical issue. Mind. So
okay. So
I was not audible. So thank you for that. So want to understand, like there are many entrepreneurs at the micro level
yeah,
who not even have this your basic formal education.
yeah.
So how can they become separated?
Yeah, that is the most common issue we face in MSMEs, that they don't use technology so much to promote their business or startups online. And I think the major reason behind it is the lack of knowledge they have towards this technology, or the lack of right persons they have in their organization who can guide them, or who can help them to be online, or to help them to take their business online. Suppose see this with a situation when I started working on my first venture, Dropout Dude. So I was from BD background. So my major skill was networking and cold calling and sales. So I was good in these skills because I was not a techie person, so I didn't know how to make a website or how to promote your business online or how to be active on social media or how I can use social media to promote my products. So I have to rely my partner or my team members for that thing, and my major part was to interact with the customers or to interact with the client or to help to interact with the potential customers and make them understand what we are doing. But when you initially start any startup or business, the lead generation part or the sales part is very less, and more you have to work on website development, you have to work on data management, more you have to work on creative, more you have to work on promote your business online, because if you are digital organization, these are the main things for you, and if you lack these skills, you cannot survive. So I understood that, and I thought I should be technically equipped, and so I learned digital marketing, and then I learned how to make a website, and I learned some basics of learned some basics of website development, etc. And then I started putting my efforts to make my brand or make my startup more visible online. So I think what MSMEs can do is they need to be trained for to adopt these technologies, or they have to hire someone who is good enough to make their brand visible online, or someone who can make them understand ki why it is necessary for you to be online, like how it can reduce the cost of your business, if you promote your business online, and how you can get really good clients or customers online by investing a little amount in time, and there are lots of people available in the market who are ready to do it for you, but to hire those persons first, it is necessary for people in the MSME sector, the decision makers in the MSME sector, to understand the role of technology that can play in their business. Like अभी भी MSME businesses are using conventional methods like paper ads, newspaper ads हो गए, TV ads हो गए. They are good. If you are getting response from them, then you should definitely do this. But apart from doing this, you should also try the latest digital marketing methods that are available, because they are cheap and they are more effective.